Taylor, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be filming one of my favorite videos to film, and it's a what I eat in a day. I've kind of been eating more unhealthy than usual lately just because I've been eating out a lot, but I'm trying to get back on track. I went grocery shopping yesterday, so I'm ready to go. My fridge is fully stocked. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what I'm eating today to like eat healthy, get back on track, you know. I actually just recently got back from the gym. My boyfriend and I have been waking up at 7 a.m. the past 2 days and going to the gym. It's like pretty crazy, honestly. This is like a test of my willpower. All right, I had to take out my hair. It was literally driving me insane. So I'm gonna go make some breakfast. I didn't actually eat anything before I went to the gym just because it was like 7 a.m. and I wasn't really that hungry. So I'm gonna go make some food, and I'm also gonna be showing you guys this. Literally, it's the best smoothie recipe literally ever, and I just have been dying to share it with you guys. So we're gonna go do that right now. Alright, so I think I'm gonna make some oatmeal. That sounds really good right now. So we're gonna make that. And if you guys don't already know, avocado toast would be like my other option. That's literally like, I eat that for breakfast probably like all the time. But if I'm not eating that, this is what I eat. So I just use this Trader Joe's unsweetened instant oatmeal just because it's really easy and quick to make. It just comes in these little packets. So I'm just gonna make one of these, and yeah. Okay, so I'm actually gonna make my smoothie really quick just because I don't want my food to be like really hot and then I still have to make the smoothie. So we're actually gonna make that super quick. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the recipe for the best smoothie ever. I promise you it is. I've tried so many different smoothie recipes and this one just takes the cake, and yeah, you'll probably be obsessed with it just like I am, just like my boyfriend is. So it's just one whole banana. I'm gonna put protein in mine just because I just had a workout, but you can, I just hit myself in the face with this. You can skip this part if you want to. You don't have to put the protein in there, but yeah, I just like it in there, and you literally cannot taste the protein in the smoothie. It's like the best thing ever. Yeah, I forgot to say this is the Lean Protein by Tropica. It's the natural vanilla flavor. Now I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of almond butter. It's half a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa. Best smoothie ever, guys. Seriously, make it. You will thank me later, I promise. So I just cooked my oatmeal in the microwave. I cooked it for like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I kind of like mine a little more done, but anyway, I'm gonna put some toppings on here. I have some strawberries, peanut butter, cinnamon, and also this homemade chocolate granola that I made. Sorry that I haven't showed you guys a recipe on how to make this yet, but I promise I will. Okay, so I'm just gonna eat my oatmeal and then finish drinking my smoothie, and I will see you guys for lunch. Hey guys, so I'm finally getting hungry again. It's like 2:30, so I think I'm gonna make some lunch for my boyfriend and I really want to show you guys one of my go-to lunches, and if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me post about this like a bunch of times, but it's so good. So let's get cooking. We have some chicken cut up. I like to cut it up into little cubes just because it cooks a lot better that way. So I have some chicken cooking here, like a tablespoon and a half of butter. Honestly, I do usually use olive oil, but I'm like completely out of it, so I do need to use the butter. But sometimes it's good because it adds a little extra flavor to the chicken. And then I just cooked the chicken on medium heat for 3 minutes on each side. So yeah. And then I have some cauliflower gnocchis cooking over here. These are the ones from Trader Joe's, and these ones are literally so good. Absolutely delicious. Freaking love them. Good. Last thing I need to make is some sauteed kale. So I just take like a handful or however much I want of kale and throw it in a saute pan, add a little bit of olive oil. I actually don't have like any left, so I'm just gonna use what I have. And I toss it for like 3 minutes and it turns out super good. This is literally how much I have, so that's cool. I also added a little garlic powder just to give it a little more flavor. Okay, this is literally the best meal. So I ended up adding some rice. I got my sauteed kale, some tomatoes, cauliflower gnocchis, and my chicken. And the last thing I add on here is some roasted red pepper hummus. This literally just pairs well with everything on this plate, and it just makes the whole dish like amazing. I highly recommend making these, guys. It's literally so flavorful and just so freaking good. I could eat this every single day. It honestly does not take long to make. I know it looks like a lot of stuff, but they're all like really easy things to make. It just took a while today because I was filming it, obviously. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat this now. It literally looks so good. So I will see you guys whenever I eat again. What's up, guys? It's actually pretty late right now. It's like 9 o'clock at night. I always eat dinner so freaking late. I don't know why. I was just not hungry for the longest time, but I'm finally gonna make some dinner. So yeah, let's make it. I'm making kale chips tonight, and if you've never had kale chips, you really need to try them because they're freaking amazing. So I'm going to put them on this pan that I lined with tin foil, just like a bunch of kale. So I just remembered that I totally ran out of olive oil earlier, so I'm using butter for this. It's super weird. I would never use butter to make kale chips, but it's like all I have, so I melted some butter and I'm gonna put this all over it, and then I'm gonna season the kale chips and then put them in the oven. Garlic powder. So kale chips are in the oven. It said to cook them for 10 to 15 minutes, so I just do 12 and then check it to see if it's done. You really don't want to burn your kale chips because then it really loses its nutritional value. So yeah, don't do that. So while the kale chips are cooking, I'm going to make some turkey bacon. This is the one from Trader Joe's and I absolutely love this. Like, it's probably the closest turkey bacon that I have found that tastes the most like real bacon. We're making BLTs tonight. I'm so excited. BLTs are like my weakness. This is the bread that I'm gonna be using. It's the Ezekiel sesame sprouted grain bread. This is probably my favorite bread from Trader Joe's. It's really, really good. So I got turkey bacon, some light mayo that I'm gonna put on here, some spinach, and I also have these like little tomatoes only. Oh no, my kale chips are done. As I was saying, I only have these little tomatoes, so these are gonna have to do. So yeah, I'm gonna put this all together. Is my dinner tonight. What do you think?
Wow.
Dinner was delish, but I think that's gonna end my eating for today. I'm probably not gonna have any dessert because it's pretty late, honestly. Yeah, I'm so happy to be back on track. I had a really good day of eating, so I'm really happy about that. I always feel so much better when I'm eating healthy. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great time filming it. I love filming these kinds of videos. If you did enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And also leave me a comment down below. And definitely don't forget to subscribe for more if you haven't already. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.